They might be using their CNAP or just even straight up AWS Security Hub. And so here you can see like these types of vulnerability management tools integrate with all these different providers and then create that deduplicated picture. All right, so let's take a look at a specific example of this to better understand the entire flow from end to end. Let's say here I've got my insecure Java repo where I'm using a Java library called logback, and we can see here I've run a Snyk scan, and this was just looking at the code, just ran Snyk test, and this CVE got picked up here. I then ran a Trivy scan on the same Java image, and because of the overlap between container and SCA scanning, it was also picked up here in the CVE as well. And I made this diagram just to try to help us understand, and I've linked it below, to better understand how many different possible places you could scan. And a lot of the time it is good to scan in all of these places because your DevOps team might have little build scripts that run that move these things between areas. And for different compliance reasons, as well as in the event of like a 0-day, you always want all of this data. However, trying to operationalize it becomes really hard because of the number of different tools that are scanning basically the same finding, this logback package. And so it's looking at there's tools looking at the code, looking at the Gradle file in this case for Java, looking at the compiled binary and detecting it, looking at the Docker image,